Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 Audi A7 3.0T Quattro. This one's gray. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter supercharger V6 pushing out 333 horsepower and 325 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 19-inch multi-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A brown leather interior, sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear retractable wing, A7 3.0T Quattro badging, power liftgate, set to all season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, in the back we've got some rear climate controls, rear heated seats, a keyless entry, wood trim, memory seats, power windows, Bose sound system, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, a push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera, our multimedia system, dual climate controls, heated and cooled seats, our buttons for our media display. This A7 has 41,519 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Audi A7, check out feldmanimports.com.